It's Black Friday. Your cart is full, your finger hovers over checkout, and then it hits you. The promo code box is empty. Every code you try fails. Your savings? Gone. But what if technology could fix that automatically? From writing code to generating images, and now even shopping, automation can do the heavy lifting for you. Meet Coupert, a free browser extension that hunts real promo codes, compares prices across stores, and triggers cashback automatically. No hunting, no guesswork, no expired codes. Just install, shop, and watch the price drop. And here's the best part. There's a little-known trick inside Coupert that can save you even more. You don't want to miss this. Getting started is super easy. Click the link in the description, head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Coupert, and add it to your browser. Sign up takes seconds using Google, Facebook, or Apple, and just like that, you're ready. No complicated setup, no extra software, just instant savings waiting for you. Now here's where it gets exciting. I head over to the GoPro website looking for batteries. Almost immediately, Coupert pops up, showing I could save nearly $11 if I buy elsewhere. I click it and get redirected to a page with multiple stores offering the same product for cheaper. I pick Adorama, and boom, over $10 saved in under a minute. Amazon had it listed at $59.99, but Adorama had it for $48.99. That's a real instant savings for the exact same product, and it's not just GoPro. Let's say you're shopping for AirPods. Amazon shows them at $179, but Coupert finds them at Best Buy for $159. That's $20 in your pocket without even hunting for it. It also shows trend charts, price drops, rises, or stability, so you know whether to buy now or wait for a better deal. It's like having a personal shopping analyst right in your browser. Then comes the magic automatic coupon application. Add something to your cart on Shein, Fashion Nova, ASOS, or Sephora, and Coupert automatically tests all available coupons from millions of retailers. You just hit Apply Coupons and watch your total drop instantly. In my test, it saved me over 12 pounds in seconds. No copying, no pasting, no guessing, just effortless savings. And there's a little trick that makes it even faster, which I'll show you in a second. While coupons are impressive, Coupert also gives you cashback. On the official site or your shopping page, you'll see merchants offering cashback. Maybe it's 4.5% at Shein or up to 7% at Walmart. Activate it before purchase, complete your transaction, and a portion of the money comes back to your account. You can withdraw via PayPal, gift card, or bank card. Usually, it takes about 15 days to process, but the more frequently you shop, the faster it adds up. Suddenly, online shopping isn't just spending, it's earning. And just when you think you've seen it all, here's where things get really interesting. Coupert isn't just another coupon tool, it's in a league of its own. You've probably heard of Honey, Capital One Shopping, or Rakuten. Honey? Great for coupon testing, but it often leaves you checking prices across multiple stores manually. Capital One Shopping? It shows comparisons, sure, but many features are limited if you're outside the US. And the coupon testing isn't always reliable on fashion sites. And Rakuten? Mostly cashback, but it doesn't handle coupons or price comparisons. Coupert, however, does all three at once. It shows side-by-side prices from multiple retailers instantly, works globally with over 200,000 merchants, and even triggers savings if coupons fail through price drops and cashback. So think about it. Honey does coupons, Capital One Shopping does price comparison, Rakuten does cashback, but Coupert does all three in one. That's why it's the most complete savings tool for Black Friday. And it doesn't stop there. Coupert works across platforms: Chrome, Edge, Opera, Firefox, and Safari on desktop, and Safari on mobile. It's trusted by 6 million desktop users and 3 million mobile users weekly, partnered with over 200,000 merchants worldwide. That's not just popularity, that's proof it works. This Black Friday, don't waste time searching for coupon codes or price checking across stores. Coupert AI does all the work for you. Coupons, cashback, price comparisons, it's all automatic, effortless, and completely free. So go ahead, click the link in the description, install Coupert, and start saving instantly. Leave a comment telling me how much you saved. I want to see your wins. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more money-saving tips. Also, check out our video on I stopped worrying about power outages after this. You'll thank me later. Remember, smart shoppers don't hunt for deals, they let Coupert do it for them.